Siyabingelela kubathandi nabalandeli benqola yevangeli. We trust and hope that the EP Emma Brothers akade benikhiphile yona is treating you well and that you are enjoying it. Please don't stop streaming, subscribing, even following us on our accounts, social media accounts. We trust and hope ukuthi you are waiting in anticipation for the EP Enqola Yevangeli Gospel Choir ke manje ezophuma nje ngesonto lele sibheke kulona. That was made with so much love and so much patience just for you. So we trust ukuthi ngempela nizoyi-enjoya, nizoyi-streama, nizoyilalela everywhere and anywhere. A while back, we came on here and posted 2 videos about a song of ours that got infringed by a certain artist, and the support that you gave us, it is so amazing. You were reposting, you were commenting, you were tagging, you were commenting even on their video, and we are truly thankful for that. Your support really does not go unnoticed. We really thank you for the support, and it shows ukuthi even in future, kuningi mhlampe seningasimela kona if we happen to be in the same situation as this one. So sithanda nje ukuqala sidlulise ukubonga regarding that. Okwesibili okubaluleke kakhulu, we would also like to let you know ukuthi we have resolved that matter. We reached out to the artist explaining to them ukuthi okay, this song has its owners that they did not try to contact before releasing the song or even before trying to record the song. So we explained everything in a very professional manner after consulting with our professionals. We explained everything to them and they took it very professionally as well. They understood and complied by taking it down so that they do not further earn royalties regarding the song. So even if you can check, the song is no longer there. They respected our intellectual property. Actually, they literally obeyed to our requests, and we are truly thankful even for them for taking this matter very professionally. If it was someone else, ngabe sesibuya ngisho nasema-court, but we are truly grateful ukuthi uNkulunkulu ube nathi even through this situation.
While we're still on this very important concept, Yokubonga uNkulunkulu, may we humbly emphasize the teachings of peace and forgiveness our honorable Father Apostles always teach us, ukuthi even and when someone harms us, we must forgive them and forget, even if they harm us again and again. So may all those teachings of peace which reigned over the fallen heroes forever live and grow in abundance within us. Sixole futhi sisidlulise naso lesimo, especially because njengoba siveza, there was a lot of cooperation and professionalism in everything as well as respect. So there's generally no better time to put those teachings into practice rather than this one. So ngolwebele nje singasho sithi mayidle ishiyele. Sesingazibeka phansi manje izikhali and continue nomsebenzi omuhle wokweseka inqola Evangelic Gospel Choir kanjalo futhi nama-brothers.
So just to share a smallanyana piece from our side, singasho ukuthi it is very important to secure your work. This thing ekuthiwa yi-digital footprint is very important because if we had not posted our video, our first ever video of Uzube Namoyo Ngcwele, which was back in 2024, it would have been, another story because omunye noma another artist would have claimed ukuthi this is my song, you just took it from me. But because we had, those videos from the past showing ukuthi actually the copyright belongs to us, it helped us really really well. So for abafowethu nabodadewethu, even other artists abasafufusa, we would like to emphasize indaba ye-copyright ukuthi it's very important. If it happens ukuthi some of you uba on the same situation as ours, it's very important to dig deep into your recordings, into your old videos, old recordings and old everything, and probably you will come out with something tangible ephathekayo ozotshengisa ukuthi okay, this is my song or this is my work. And also registering your music, it's very very important, because if your music is not registered, kuzoba nzima ukuthi even the law ukuthi ikuseke noma imelane nawe or ikusupporte ngandlela thizeni. So it is very important to support your work. Yabo siyazi ukuthi kakhulukazi ey'nkonzweni nje ngizokhuluma kakhulukazi enkonzweni yabaphostoli ukuthi we compose a lot of songs. Yabo abafethu abodadewethu compose imithandazo almost every single day, and we post them on our TikToks, on our literally every social media account that we would normally have. And you know, some artists bazothi mabebuka bawuthanda umculo, and then they would take it without knowing actually ukuthi okay, the song belongs to who, ubani oyibhalile, ubani oyikomposile, and all that. So it's very important ukuthi umsebenzi wakho uhlele kahle, uwumele, uwubeke ngendlela that is presentable, you know, ukuze iy'nkinga ey'fana nalezi zizothi ukuncipha kancane. So we would also like to thank you for your future, you know, engagements with our content, with our music, and we truly look forward to releasing more music for you. Ngoba nje ngempela, we have a lot of songs, you know, njengoba sasisho on our past videos ukuthi the songs or the videos that are on our YouTube channels and TikToks, we intend to actually record them professionally and release them for you esephekwe kahle, eselungisiwe, sekuhleliwe nje kahle konke. So i-support yenu isenza ukuthi ngempela lo msebenzi siwuthande futhi siwuthakasele ukuthi siwenze. Ningakhohlwa-ke nokusubscribe, follow us, comment, like our videos, share our videos with everyone you know. Siyabonga kakhulu.